Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to buy any coin or token with Trust Wallet and pancakeswap. So first what you will need to do is you will need to download Trust Wallet on your mobile phone from your Play Store or App Store. If you are not able to find it, I will leave a link in the description. Please feel free to download it from there. So now if you are here in Trust Wallet, first what you need to do is you need to press on receive. Okay. Now these are the coins that are automatically available on Trust Wallet. So now let's say if we take the example of Matic, we will just click on this, and as you can see there is no option to buy Matic, which usually comes over here. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to go back, okay, and click on Smart Chain. You need to buy Smart Chain in order to exchange your tokens with some other token, because this is a BEP20 token which pancakeswap recognizes. Don't buy the above one, because if you buy this one then you will need to again convert BEP2 into BEP20, where you have to give a exchange fee and also there is a gas fee. So for pancakeswap it's always recommended to buy this one. So now you simply click on this at the top, press on buy, okay, and you will be directed over here. So as you can see, the minimum purchase is $50 and MoonPay is a third party provider, and please note that there is a maximum limit transaction. There is a maximum transaction limit for every transaction. So $50 is the minimum and $20,000 is the maximum. So as you can see, the third party provider has already changed. Since I'm using a test wallet, I won't be putting money over here. So what you will need to do is, now you will need to head to dApps. For Android users, you can directly see dApps at the bottom side of the screen in Trust Wallet. In case if you are an iPhone user and you don't see this option, then you have to enable dApps on your Trust Wallet on iOS. I will leave a link in the description where it will show you the steps as to how to activate dApps on your iOS mobile phone. Now we will head to dApps and then we will search for pancakeswap. Okay. Since my wallet is already connected to pancakeswap, it's showing over here. In case if your wallet is not connected to pancakeswap, you need to click over here, okay, and connect your wallet over here. Now what you will need to do is we will need to swap our BNB that we have purchased, which is the BEP20, the black smart chain one. And as soon as you open pancakeswap, usually you will be over here at the trade screen, and then you will need to go to swap, okay, and after swap the first option is BNB. So we will be using this BNB to purchase other coin, okay. Now over here we will need to change from cake to Matic. Now as you can see, since Matic is I haven't added Matic to my wallet, so in this case you will need to import the Matic address to pancakeswap and as well as to Trust Wallet. So simply click on import, press I understand and import. Okay. Now for the example purpose we will just put in 10 BNB. So as per the current rate, if I want to swap my 10 BNB smart chain tokens, then I would receive close to 2745 Matic coins. So once that is there, since we don't have the balance right now, we are not getting the option to swap. Then once you have the balance and you decide to swap, then there is an option of swap that will come over here. Simply click on it, authorize the transaction. You have to pay a gas fee, because for Trust Wallet and pancakeswap, every transaction you will need to pay a gas fee. And once that is done, once you have swapped the token, just exit the screen, go to your wallet and refresh it 3 to 4 times. Usually it takes around 10 seconds for the Polygon or a Matic to receive in your wallet. Or other way what you can do is, you can go over here, go in receive, okay, and simply click on all of this. Like if I click on Tezos, okay, receive, okay. Now just go back and now you can see Tezos is showing over here. So you can manually add tokens to Trust Wallet. Now there are few tokens that cannot be brought from pancakeswap. So we will take the example of Shiba Inu. So if we go to Shiba Inu, okay, we will go over here. We are on Coin Market Cap. So first, what you will need to do is, first you will need to go to market, okay, and check in this list whether pancakeswap is available. As you can see, pancakeswap, Shiba Inu is not available in pancakeswap. So alternatively, what you will need to do is, I will show you on Trust Wallet. If we go in dApps, okay, pancakeswap, BNB, and if you can see Shiba, see there is no Shiba Inu coin which is available. So in this case, you will need to take the help of third-party token and then buy it from there and send Shiba Inu to this address. So to your address. So if you press on receive, if you can see, there is this address where you need to send your Shiba Inu. So this is my personal address for this specific wallet. Yours would be different. So if you want to transfer it from Binance, you have to transfer it to your Shiba Inu address. So as soon as you send it, the transaction will take few minutes, or if there is a delay at times, then it takes around 1 day. But usually it occurs fast, only if there is some network problem or something. And once you receive this, you will see the balance over here. Now why I recommend using a wallet is because these are cold storage wallets. Cold storage meaning there is a less possibility that you will get hacked, because if you are using a not renowned token exchange, then there is a high possibility that all your crypto can be hacked. So in order to safeguard your crypto, it's better to use Trust Wallet. Now what I will do is, I will simply add all of these tokens. Polygon is already there, Lucky Block, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. So as you can see, it's already started showing over here, Litecoin, and the other addresses that I've pressed on receive. So yes, pretty much that it. If you need any help or if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment in the section. As soon as I see it, I will reply you back. So hopefully you guys like my video, and thank you for watching.